Welcome to another episode of the Toaster Oven Chef, the show where we make fast, easy gourmet meals in the toaster oven for under $5. Today we're going to make whipped shortbread. All you need is a hand mixer and 4 simple ingredients to make sensational shortbread. Here's what we'll need. 1 cup butter, softened to room temperature, half a cup of icing sugar, cream, butter, and sugar together, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 1½ cups of flour. Then beat until the mixture is thick and fluffy. Drop by the spoonful onto a cookie sheet and bake in your toaster oven at 325 for 10 to 15 minutes. You can even freeze the leftover shortbread dough for another time. Delicious, elegant, and so simple. It's that easy. You can find this recipe and more at toasterovenchef.com. Thanks for joining us, and see you again. Toaster Oven Chef.